Hello my people, happy Sunday. I saw this update. I said let me share with my friends online. The update says, just tension as Nigeria is now ranked as the second highest country globally for paternity fraud after Jamaica took the first position. Nigeria now become the second all over the world. My Nigeria, my country. I don't even know if you understand this paternity fraud. This paternity fraud of a thing is when a child is not the biological child of his or her assumed father. Is not the biological child of the assumed father. This is a simple meaning of paternity fraud. So let me read according to how I saw it here. Let it not be that it's coming out from my mouth. I'm reading from this source. Now listen. Tension as Nigeria is now ranked as the second highest country globally for paternity fraud after Jamaica. A recent report has ranked Nigeria as the second highest country globally for paternity fraud, with Jamaica holding the first position. That is the top spot. The findings is based on data from DNA testing centers and studies conducted between 2020 and 2025. Highlights a troubling trend in Nigeria, where approximately 25 to 30% of paternity tests reveal that men are not their biological fathers of their children they believe to be theirs. This places Nigeria just behind Jamaica, which reports a paternity fraud rate of around 34.6%. Hey, let me tell you how this thing came about. Now listen. According to Smart DNA, a leading genetic testing center in Lagos, their 2025 annual DNA testing report covering cases from July 2024 to June 2025 found that 25% of paternity tests in Nigeria disproved assumed fatherhood, with firstborn children, especially firstborn sons, being the most affected. The report also noted a surge in immigration-related DNA testing, as families seeking to relocate abroad increasingly require paternity verification for documentation. Elizabeth Digia, operations manager of Smart DNA, described the statistics as troubling for family stability and called for legal reforms to address paternity fraud, noting that Nigeria currently lacks specific laws to protect men who discover they have been raising non-biological children. In contrast, countries like United Kingdom and Canada report significantly lower paternity fraud rates at 1.6% and 2.8% respectively. Legal practitioner Mariam Bello highlighted that under Nigerian law, children born within a valid marriage are presumed legitimate, but DNA testing can challenge this presumption through proper legal procedure. So my people, what is your take on this? Let me know what is your take based on this update in the comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Ng.O. Happy Sunday once again. Bye.